Hello, I'm Scott Peterson. I've lived the farm life before, taking a break, but I want to go back because there's nothing better than spending your time out in nature, making your living, getting your hands dirty, spending time with the animals, shaving the sheep, milking the cows. I mean, even when it comes to the slaughter, you just know that you're honoring that beast, the majestic creature that it is. Huh. And you always can go to bed happy, satisfied with an honest day's work. That's probably my favorite part. Peace of mind. And after those long days, there's nothing that I like more than a nice, cold, refreshing Coca-Cola. That hits the spot. Yeah, that hits the spot. Are we still rolling? Got that.